Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to download and use Surfshark VPN on your Mac so you can protect your online privacy, browse safely, and access geo-restricted content with ease. If you've been looking for a reliable and fast VPN for your Mac, Surfshark is a great option with unlimited device support, strong privacy policies, and easy-to-use apps. I've added a link in the description below where you can try Surfshark at a great price, so feel free to check that out. Let's jump into it. First, you'll want to open your browser and go to the Surfshark website using the link below. Once you're there, click on the Download VPN button. From there, go to the macOS and then click on Get Surfshark button. Choose your preferred plan and create your account. After your account is set up, you'll be able to download the app for Mac. Once the download is complete, open the DMG file from your Downloads folder and you'll see the Surfshark installer window. Simply drag the Surfshark icon into your Applications folder to complete the installation. Now, you can open your Applications folder and double-click on Surfshark to launch the app. When you open Surfshark for the first time, log in using the email and password you used when creating your account. You may also need to allow permissions on your Mac to add the VPN configurations, so click Allow when prompted. Now you're ready to connect. Surfshark's interface is clean and beginner-friendly. You'll see a large Connect button, which will connect you to the fastest server automatically. You can also choose a specific country or city by clicking on the Locations tab if you need to access content from a specific region. Once connected, your IP address will be masked, your internet traffic will be encrypted, and you'll be protected while browsing, streaming, or using public Wi-Fi. You can also enable features like Clean Web to block ads and trackers while you browse, and you can turn on the kill switch for extra protection if your VPN connection drops unexpectedly. That's it. You now have Surfshark VPN fully set up and running on your Mac, helping you browse securely and access the internet freely wherever you are. Don't forget to check link in the description below where you can try Surfshark at a great price.